Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading for Everyone channel. Today we are going to explain everything that you have to know before using N26. It's a bank in the European zone, but it's also available in Brazil and in the United States. As you can see here, you can select any country in the European zone. Also, they expand the operation to Brazil and to United States, including United Kingdom and Switzerland. As I said before, it is a bank and not a fintech. These are really important difference. You can read here that it was selected the best banks in the world by Forbes in 2022. Why it's important to understand if it is a fintech or if it is a bank? Because N26 has a bank license. So in this case, the money that you have inside this account is protected by the deposit protection scheme. So up to 100,000 euros, your money is safe, because in case that this bank go bankruptcy, your money is going to be safe even by the government. If you use another fintech, for example Wise, if Wise has an issue and go bankruptcy, your money is not protected, so you may lose all your funds. So that's important thing that you have to understand before using any neobank or any fintech. Well, we are going to explain the main benefits. In here, you can get your bank by free. It's an important thing because you are not going to pay anything at all if you start using this bank. There are some features that you can get only if you have a premium subscriptions, but most of the features are by free. We are going to explain in detail in the future. You can open an account 100% online in just 8 minutes, as I said here, and you can get your virtual card, debit card, or even your physical bank card if you pay a subscription plan. They focus a lot in security. As I explained before, it's protected up to 100,000 euros according to European directives, and you will get an IBAN code, a German IBAN code, so you can receive payments as a local inside Europe using SEPA transfers. This is a German company, but they expanded globally. You have pop-up notification each time you use your card in order to have a real understanding in which you are wasting or spending money. And they have also a lot of insights regarding your spending habits, so you can select a budget and you can understand in an easy way with a graph if you are spending more or less than what you're supposed to be spending based on your own preference. This is really useful if you are planning to save money for a specific purpose, and you can also set goals to yourself. For example, honeymoon, saving, holidays, or whatever reason that you want to save money for. And in this case, you can set a specific amount of money that each time you receive a payment in your account, a part of that money goes straight away to your savings account. You can introduce your card into Apple Pay, so you can use your phone in order to pay in a physical merge around the world, even if you don't get your physical card. So as you can see, if you use your free plan, you can even get your phone as a physical card in order to pay in any merge around the world. You have support in several languages. They already reach 8 million customers. In here, you can read everything about the deposit protection scheme. I will leave you the link in the description if you want to understand more about it. In here, you will have the plans comparison. It is useful to understand which is the main difference between the standard plan that is free and, for example, the metal plan that is a paid subscription, 17 euros per month. The main con that you will have of using your standard plan is that you are going to have only a virtual card. You are not going to have a physical card. So if you are looking for a physical card, it's useful to get at least a smart N26 plan. For the free plan, you are going to have the virtual card, all the mobile payments alternatives, contactless. You will have up to 3 ATM withdrawals by free. This is nice because it doesn't set a specific amount of money, so you can withdraw a high amount of money in cash. If you use only 3 per month, you're going to be able to do it by free. But if you go to the metal plan, you're going to have 8 withdraw by free per month. So if you need a lot of cash per month, maybe useful to have a metal plan or metal subscription. This is a MasterCard card that you can request. If you have more premium plans, you will get insurance, travel insurance. So if you travel a lot, could be useful to have an expensive plan. Also lifetime insurance and extra features. For example, if you want to use a space to save money. For all these premium features, you will need a premium plan. And also you will get better customer support. For example, you can use your phone to talk to somebody. If not, if you use the standard plan, you will only get in-app chat for customer support. So I believe that the standard plan is quite good. The only thing that is really bad is that you are not going to have a physical card. You won't have the more premium features that I'm going to explain in a bit. So that's depend on you, which plan do you prefer. And if you have a business, you can get a business account. And this is quite powerful because if you compare this alternative with other alternatives that I explained before, for example, Wise Business, in this case, you will get an account by free. So if you compare N26 in comparison with Wise, in here you will have a free account. In Wise, you will only get a business account if you pay. So you can get a business standard N26 business account, and you will get a virtual card, and you will get also the functionalities. For example, you can get paid as a local in Europe with SEPA transfers, and also you will get a cashback. This is quite powerful tool that is not available for personal accounts. And what is a cashback? A cashback is a way to earn money while you spend. In this case, if you have a business account and if you apply for a cashback reward program, you will get 0.1% each time you pay with your card, even your free card, and 0.5% if you use your business metal account. So if you have a subscription, you will get more cashback. The features are similar from business to personal account. So you will get your virtual, your physical card, your mobile payments. You can get withdrawals from ATM. You are going to have the possibility to deposit cash using retails in Europe, paying 1.5% as a fee. So based on your needs, you will need to define which plan is better for you. What it means spaces in N26? Well, space is a way in order to save money in an easy way. You can define a space inside the app if you have a premium plan, and you will get a sub account with your individual IBAN code. So in this case, you will have your main account and different spaces accounts in which you can define goals, saving for a specific purpose, hobbies, holidays, or buying something that you want to buy in the future. You can share these spaces with some friends in order to save all together for a holiday together, for example. You can set a rule, for example, in order to get a new bike, you can save 50 euros per month, and each time you get a payment or each month, you will transfer $50 per month from your main account to your savings account. Also, this feature is quite useful. For example, if you don't want to stress every month to pay all your bills, you can define a specific space for your bills. So you can define a rule in order to transfer money, for example, $500, $200 per month to that specific account, and then you can pay automatically via direct debit. So everything is set automatically. You don't have to stress every month to pay everything. So you transfer first and then direct debit to all your services in one shot. This is also a quite useful feature. For example, you can define round up. So for example, if you pay for a coffee shake and you pay 4.5 euros, the 50 cents are going to transfer straight away to your savings account. So for people that struggle to save money, this could be a powerful tool. So as explained before, you can define the different goals and you can understand for example, the 3 months average spending, and if you are spending less than the average in order to save more money. So in an easy way, you can understand in a chart if you are saving or if you are overspending. You can define, you can change your daily withdrawal limits, your daily payment limits in order to put yourself in a position to save more money every month. And you can define a space in order to find a goal and save money for a specific purpose, for example, to buy a scooter or whatever. So I believe that these features are quite powerful in order to set rules and start saving in an easy and automated way every month. For people that prefer to do everything with their computer and not with their phone, N26 developed a website alternative. This is quite useful because other fintech, they don't have the possibility to do so. You only have to use your phone. In this case, you can use your phone or your website, your computer, in order to understand all the transactions that you did, get paid, track your account, download statements, understand in an easy way what's going on with your account. You can use your debit account to travel abroad. That could be useful if you like traveling outside Europe, and in this way you are going to save a lot of money in exchange rate, because traditional banks charge you a lot each time you pay in a different currency, and you can use your spaces to save money in order to then spend in your holiday, for example. You can use a physical debit card in order to cash out money from an ATM abroad, overseas, and as explained before, say goodbye to exchange rate markups. This is what normally your traditional bank normally does to your spending when you travel abroad. So this could be a really useful tool to travel. You can split your bill with some friends. For example, if you go with other 3 friends to buy something or to have a dinner, if all your friends have N26 installed in their phones, you can split in an easy way. You can select even split, so you are going to split straight away by 4. We don't have to do any math. You don't have to ask the waitress in order to split the account. That it is quite hard for them to do so. You also have the possibility to get insurance, different type of insurance, for example, electronic insurance, or insurance related to your bike, your home, your pet. So this could be useful to have everything in one place. And also they integrate with Wise, so it's quite powerful, this tool, because Wise, we explained this fintech in the past, Wise is well known because they can make international transfers in an easy way and in a cheap way in comparison with traditional banks or traditional remittance companies. So you can save a lot of money when you use Wise. What N26 did is have a partnership with Wise, so each time you transfer money, you are going to use Wise inside the N26 app, so you are going to get low fees and full transparency. So you are going to save money when you are doing international money transfers, and you are going to avoid nasty surprise. To sum up, I believe that it's quite powerful tool. They are growing at a fast rate. They are only available in Europe, United States and Brazil, but I believe that they are going to expand globally in the coming future. They have a bank license, so your money is safe based on a European insurance. They have powerful tools. Even they have a free account for the people that want to have a bank account in the European zone and they don't have too much money, so it's good for them to start with. And also, if you want more premium features, you can get the subscription plans that we explained before. This is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, to leave a comment if you have any doubt. If you use N26, which opinion do you have about that? If you prefer N26 or something else. See you in the next video. Bye.